After 80 years in the investment game, I've realized a truth: most people refuse to accept the best investments are actually boring. Most people think investing should be a high adrenaline sport with secret strategies and billionaire-only access. If you're getting a thrill from your portfolio, you're likely doing it wrong. The goal isn't excitement, it's beating inflation and growing wealth steadily without stress. Today, we're diving into 5 lazy investments that anyone can make. You don't need to be a genius, you just need discipline. An index fund like the S&P 500 lets you own a tiny piece of the 500 largest companies in America: Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, etc. You don't have to pick winners or analyze financial statements. You simply own America.
Historically, it returns about 10% annually. And with 3% inflation, you're doubling your purchasing power every 10 years or so. Use low-fee providers like Vanguard or Fidelity, fees around 0.03%. Every dollar saved in fees is a dollar that compounds for you. These are government bonds where the principal adjusts with inflation. It's not about getting rich. It's about absolute safety and preservation. Companies that have increased their dividends for at least 25 consecutive years, e.g. Coca-Cola, P&G, Tesa. Companies are forced to be efficient because they must pay shareholders every quarter. These companies are forced to be efficient because they must pay shareholders every quarter, reinvest those dividends. It creates a snowball effect that grows exponentially over 30 years. You don't need to deal with your tenants or toilets.il. Buy shares in companies that manage hospitals, cell towers, or malls. They are legally required to pay 90% of taxable income to you. Your greatest asset is your earning power. 100 course that increases your income by 10% pays dividends for the rest of your life. As I always say, the best $100 I ever spent was on a public speaking course in the 1950s. It transformed my ability to build, see, relationships, and communicate. Ideas. If you invest $1,000 at 10%, in 30 years it becomes over. See my talk? Without you lifting a finger, it's not the market or a recession. It's you. Your emotions, fear, and greed will tempt you to sell when the market crashes or buy when it's high. Don't try to be extraordinary. Just be ordinary. Matching the market puts you in the top 10% of all investors because most people trade too much and lose money. Index funds, tips, dividend stocks, rates, and skills. These 5 pillars protect you from inflation and build wealth. Invisibly. Don't try to be extraordinary. Just be ordinary. Ordinary in investing is rare and highly profitable. Start now, be patient, and remember, boring wins every time.